Good morning. It's a cold, windy day. Today we're at FDR State Park. It's the pool area. And that's where I'm gonna be fishing at. But I'm gonna make my way over that way and do a little bit of fishing over there. I mean, it's really cold out here. So today I'm strictly gonna be throwing the spinner bait. Show y'all what I got on right now. Favorite KVD Strike King. I got a little paddle tail trailer. Let's see what we can do. Like I said, the conditions are extremely windy and choppy. See that water? See the trees shaking. There goes that wind. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's about to get crazy out there. But hey, I'm the only one out here, so at least I got the lake to myself. We'll stop talking now. Let's get into it. All right. Let's go. Let's go. First one. Chill out, chill out, chill out. First one. Many more to come. Let's go. Everybody thinks you gotta be in a boat. You don't have to be in a boat. Everybody comes in a boat here. You barely see them fishing in the middle. They all come to the banks and cast towards the banks. When you're on the bank, you're casting out and working your way back into the banks. So you don't need to be on a boat. When it's cold out, you need them deep waters. Yeah, that's different. Sometimes you need a boat for that. But for the most part, you don't. It's cold today. You've seen that. Caught that one. So hopefully we can get on some more. Real windy out here today. Choppy water. I was definitely happy to get that guy. I was definitely doubtful when I seen how windy it was. But they're out here. Just gotta work for them. So the place is closed right now. But it's not gonna stop me from trying to cast right here from behind the fence. Why would it? You never know. All that ground that I'm missing could be a fish right in there. Wind is blowing, so I gotta like cast at the docks just to land on the side of them. So hopefully that helped. Next month I do that, getting slammed, I'm sure. It's just really cold today, so it's not hanging out that close to the bank. Let's keep going. Gonna be a lot of walking today. There's another little opening. Not too many spots to fish in this place, unfortunately. As I get closer to this side, there's a pool and a couple little spots over there where are a little better. But do what we can. Caught one already, so at least I beat the skunk. Let's see if I can get a big one. All right. spinner again. Right here, like another month, it's gonna be covered in green about 50 feet out. Only thing you can fish with is a frog. I'm trying to take advantage of fishing these little areas right now. You never know what the hell is over here. Let's go, got one. Quick pick. It's number 2. Nothing big, but we on them now. Go. See you later, buddy. Get some more. I find that you give a little pops every so often. It definitely attracts fish. If possible. It's like a freaking mud pit. Oh damn, I didn't mean to hit that. I can get fish at every single spot I stop at today along this lake. It's a great day, even if it's just one fish. There's some big ones out here somewhere. Another one. Okay. This guy has a fish in his mouth. So he just ate that. And he has a fish in his mouth. Watch. He has a frog in his mouth. Holy crap. Can you guys see that leg? That's insane. Well, there's a fish I just caught. Check out inside of his mouth. My man got a whole frog leg coming out of there. He's eating. See you later, man. Oh, this wind sucks. Makes it so much cold, so choppy, hard to cast. Got one. So we doing it for right there. Those big ones, huh? Woo, cold out here today. We're making it happen though. Let's go. Oh, happy to catch that. So windy. Try and get the footage the best I can now. Only came out with one GoPro battery, unfortunately. The other one was dead. So I'll do what I can. So a lot of these are gonna be after the fact catches, but we'll make it work. Let's get into it. Camera just died, but we got this little guy. Look at that water. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's choppy, it's windy, and I'm cold. Let's get some more. Alright, that's gonna wrap that video up. Hope you guys enjoy watching. I know it wasn't the best video, so windy, so the audio quality probably isn't as good, but I did get a nice one out of there. So I don't know, stay tuned for the next one, I guess. Catch up to y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. As always, drop a like, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. About 60% of y'all aren't subscribed. Simple, just hit that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all. Cheater out. This big old crappie go.